Welcome to Alpha Tech. Today we are going to make a web page. Now we are going to add the basic tags that we are going to use. So these are the tags. First there is HTML, head, title, and all tags are written. So now we are going to change the title. Our title will be story time. Now the website that we are going to copy is now it is, let me show you. So this is the website that we are going to copy. It is apart from taken from the book James and the Giant Peach. So let's continue to our site. Now we can scroll it also. So let's continue. Now we are going to add its background image. That is the one I'm going to show you. This is the image that we are going to use as our background image. Now its name I've given is bg.jpg. So now I'm going to add bg.jpg. Now I don't want the link to be blue in color, so because I'm going to add a link, so I'm going to change its color to red. If you don't want to change link color, you can also skip this part. This doesn't matters that much. So now we are going to use the font face Algerian. Well, in the previous web page that I've shown you, I have used a different writing, but now I've changed it. Now we are going to align the head at the title to the center, James and the Giant Peach. Now the paragraph that we are going to write will be in Comic Sans writing font. Now its color will be white smoke. You can also write white, that doesn't matter. Now this is also going to be in the center. So because it is such long, so we are just going to select it, copy it, and then paste it in our notepad. So this is the necessary line, so I will be deleting it. Now we are gonna add break line so that it doesn't come in the same row. So if you have any query, then you can. Now we are going to add the email. So here you can add your email or whatever your email ID is. It will not show your email address, but when the person will click on the link, it will just write a message to you or whatever you have mentioned the ID. So now here I've written send message, then we will reply as soon as possible. Okay, now let's see what we have to do next. Okay, there are some things that we have to do. So we are going to add a little of CSS. So here I'm going to add style tag and close it because I haven't named it. Okay, so now let me give it a div. So here I'm going to add div, and then I'm going to close it just as soon as the paragraph ends. Okay, now we come to our style part. Okay, then we are going to code in CSS. Now we are going to add the CSS selector, that is div, then its properties or attributes. So first of all, we are going to assign it a height. Its height will be almost 1100 pixel. Then we are gonna assign it a margin. So its value I will give 10 pixels. Then I will add padding. Oops. So here we are going to add padding so that it's just to assign its distance from the border. Okay, so padding will be 10 pixels. Now it's overflow. The content that will overflow, so it would be, so we can view it in small area by scrolling it. So we are going to add scroll. Then we are going to add border. Yeah, so we are going to add border. That will be 2 pixels. Okay, 2 pixels solid white. Then we are going to save it and view our page, web page that we have created. Let me save it. I'm going to save it with the name storytime.html. Okay, now save. Yeah, let's view it. Here is our web page. Now we are going to see it. Okay, this is our web page. Why is it so small in fonts? Okay, let me just check it. Okay, there are some mistakes. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to write close A. And then what we are going to do is let's see about. Okay, I forgot to add size so that the fonts become more greater in size. So the highest size is 7. So we are going to add 7 on both the on both the heading tags. Sorry. Okay, now so this is our website. Now the font is a bit too large. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Yeah, we are going to change its writing to show card Gothic. Well, because it looks good, I'm just changing it because of it. That's nothing at all. Okay, I think Comic Sans is alright. Now we are going to see how it has become. Okay, we are just gonna minimize the size of the web page so that we can see what we have created in full screen. Okay, so this is what we have created. I think it doesn't look any different from what we have took the idea from. So as you can see, you can scroll down, scroll up it. There's no problem in reading. Okay, so we have done what we were trying, and that's all for today. Hope you like the content. Please like and subscribe our channel, and make sure to take care.